The grip block from MICROJIG is an incredibly versatile push block you should be using all over your shop. It features the same green grip material as the gripper, but a lot more of it. In addition to a wider gripping surface, the grip block has 4 smart hooks that engage at the end of the board for added stability and control, while still automatically retracting mid-board to maintain contact with its green grip material. The side of the grip block has a broad 90-degree surface perpendicular to the face, allowing you to use it horizontally and vertically. When they're not needed, the smart hooks can be locked away in a snap. The built-in *20 inserts allow you to add the deflector connector as a chip guard and for added protection while making cuts. And don't just take my word for it. Check out what these fancy pants publications have to say about it. 98% recommended by Handy Woodworker product testers. 5 out of 5 from Wood Magazine. Grip block can replace many of the push blocks you have currently laying around the shop. It has all the features you need in a push block built into a single tool. MICROJIG has changed the game with its grip block. This puppy has bite. Toss out your shop-made push block because MICROJIG has taken the basic design and made it 1, 2, 3 times better. Grip block provides unparalleled safety and control all over your shop like no other push block in the world. Visit us online at microjig.com to buy yours today or to find a retailer near you. MICROJIG. Work safer, work smarter.